got the new bags.
Yeah, it's lovely.
You may have noticed disappointing you forgot Freebin. I'm very about. Can you smell the frog's breath in the air? I think no monsters brushed their teeth this morning. What have you brought, the great Professor Gasboot? Have you brought my vampire's blood for my greatest experiment? My goodness me, how exciting. Perhaps I'll use it in a whiz-bang boom, all of a sudden, potion for you. What would you like from the great Professor Gasboot? Would you like a sweet treat, or would you like a trickery in your bag? What is it you desire, young monsters? A trick? My goodness me, turn around. All of a sudden, whiz bang boom, the professor disappears. Magic! My goodness me, a sweet treat for you. You are amazing, most exciting for a scientist. You need your wits about you. Come here, young fellow. Most wonderful. Now be gone with you, fellow monsters. Professor Gasboot has got lots of experiments to do. Most wonderful. Where is your monster thing? Can you show me? Hello! Hello! Thank you so much. If you go further, you'll find a very nice place. Sorry, I'm terrible. Hello. How are you? We've got someone among us. Ah, see what I did there. You could mind. Hello. Right. Would you like something? What are you? Why are you looking at me? Right. Take this. Take this. Hello. There you are. Be gone. Have a lovely time. See you later. Or should I say, have a frightening time?
2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? You and your brain.
Ah, hello. How are you?
There's a watch down the street.
I don't know. You don't want the bag of Lego I have then?
Yeah! I want the Lego!
I've got it. Only. Have it. Only. Give me on my phone.